Hi everybody, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips, and we're going to have an unboxing today of Schlage brand specific pinning kit. And why you would want the Schlage brand versus maybe the Lab brand. Because Lab is a great pinning kit and it's universal and it actually covers Schlage. But why would we want specific Schlage brand pinning kit? So let's look at this Schlage brand. We have a beautiful box. I mean, it's as pretty as the Lab. In fact, I like the color a little better. And it's called a retail key kit 40-132. So this is a very nice kit just for the retail market. So the Lab kit, though, is also for the retail market, and it deals with the 0.003. So it should cover what this Schlage is doing, but let's see if it does. What do we get in this box? Well, we have looks like a piece of literature, and it covers evidently all their lock parts and pieces. And it looks like this kit actually will cover even electronic locks. So you can pin up these electronic locks as well, which is nice. And it gives you detailed step-by-step diagrams of their individual locks and how to do it, which is nice. Where do you get that explanation? So we got that right in the box. So let's see what's in this box. You want to keep this paper. That goes over this so nothing gets spilled out. What looks like nothing got spilled out from the long trip from Florida. And you have some really specific things in here. You have tail pieces, and you have the end caps to the different cylinders. You have some C clips. And let's see what's up in here. Now remember, you don't get all this with the Lab kit. Let's look up here at that Lab kit once more. All you get is pins up here. So you get no tooling, no nothing for individual locks. So it covers all these locks, covers the Sargent and the Weiser and the Kwikset and Schlage, Yale and Arrow. But really, I don't get any, followers or anything. So let's just see why you would even want this pinning kit. Well, you get all the goodies. And I'm telling you, for the money, it's well worth it. A little over $200. You get the followers. You get a little tool to pull that cap off the back of cylinders. Oh, and boy, this is very important. This little pin gauge. And this pin gauge, notice it has a way to pull the C-clamps off, the C-clips. So it's got some tools on it. And it's also a stepped little key gauge, which is nice. It's not just a sliding gauge, but it's stepped, which makes it more accurate, if you can see that. Much more accurate. So there we go. We got that nice little tools. And in this kit, we even have, what are these things? Spool pins. So look at that, a spool pin. That's highly unusual. You don't get that in the Lab kit at all. So you have all the drivers, all the bottom pins. Now, I checked the two kits out, the .003 Lab. That's the same sizes here. So the benefit of buying a specific Schlage pinning kit is that you get all the parts and pieces that you need to service a lock. Any of their locks, including electronic locks. So I have the T-pins. Those are hard to find, right? Where are you going to buy those? In a bag. So you got them right here. And then you got the covers for the springs. All big pile of them goodies. And look at, you got C-clips. And then the hardened C-clips. I think we're set. We can do pretty much any kind of Schlage lock with this beautiful kit. So there's there's my idea of why you would really want to buy this kit. You get so much more than the lab kit. All you get with the lab kit is a bunch of pins. And if you got something broken on a lock, you don't get all these goodies. Tail pieces and all the springs. This is really nice. So my suggestion, run out and get that. You're going to save yourself money in the long run buying individual parts and pieces to add to the lab kit. And you get this all for just a little over $200. So please hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming to you on the way.